In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve mailbox full problem in Outlook. If you're seeing quota warnings or messages bouncing back because your mailbox is full, the fastest fix is to clear out the places that silently accumulate clutter. Start by opening Outlook and looking at your folder list. Find the deleted items folder, then right-click it and choose Empty Folder. Outlook may prompt you to confirm. Remember, this permanently removes those messages, so take a quick look if there's anything you still need before you commit. Clearing deleted items immediately frees space because those messages still count toward your quota until they're purged. Next, do the same for the junk email folder. Right-click junk email and select Empty Folder. Spam and newsletters can pile up here without you noticing, and they can take a surprising amount of space. Emptying both deleted items and junk email often resolves the mailbox full problem on the spot, especially if you haven't cleaned them out in a while. If you still need more room, go to the File tab in Outlook, then choose Tools, and click Mailbox Cleanup. This opens a simple dashboard that shows your total mailbox size and breaks down how much space each folder is using. Give it a moment to calculate if you have a large mailbox. Start by reviewing the size of deleted items, since that's the quickest win. If it's large, empty it here as well, or, if you need to keep some messages, consider archiving them instead of deleting. Archiving moves older items out of your primary mailbox into an archive data file, reducing the space used without losing the content you might need later. Within Mailbox Cleanup, you'll also see helpful options to find messages you can safely remove. Use Find Items Older Than a Date to surface messages that are no longer relevant. This is great for pruning old newsletters, notifications, or conversations that have wrapped up. You can also use Find Items Larger Than a Size to identify big messages that are hogging space. These are often messages with attachments you no longer need in your main mailbox. Review the results, delete what you don't need, or archive what you want to keep but don't need to store in your primary mailbox. Once you've emptied deleted items and junk email and used the mailbox cleanup tools to target older or larger messages, your mailbox should drop below the quota. Repeat these cleanups periodically to prevent future warnings and keep Outlook running smoothly. Thanks for watching.